If you're seeing a Google Drive error when trying to create a copy, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to work without frustration. This problem usually happens because of a temporary drive glitch, a permission issue, a storage problem, or even a browser issue. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the easiest thing to try is refreshing Google Drive. Sometimes the error is only temporary, and a simple refresh clears it immediately. On Windows, press Ctrl and R on your keyboard, or on a Mac, use Command and R. After the page reloads, go back to the file and try clicking Make a Copy again. In many cases, that's enough to solve the problem right away because the drive session gets reloaded and the error disappears. If refreshing doesn't work, the next thing you should check is file permissions. This is especially important if the file belongs to someone else or was shared with you. Open the file details and make sure you have permission to copy it. You'll usually need viewer access with copying allowed, or editor access. If the owner has disabled copying, downloading, or printing, then Google Drive may block the copy option completely. In that case, the issue is not your browser, it's the file settings. If possible, contact the owner and ask them to allow copying or share a version that can be duplicated. Now let's check something that gets overlooked a lot, your Google Drive storage. If your Google account is full, Google Drive may not let you create a copy, especially if the file is large. Go to your Google One storage page or your Drive storage view and see how much space you have left. If you're out of space, delete unused files, empty the trash, or free up space in Google Photos and Gmail if needed. Once you have storage available again, try making the copy one more time. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cookies and cached images and files, then clear the data and restart the browser. Old cookies or corrupted cache files can interfere with Google Drive actions, including copying files. After clearing everything, sign back into your Google account and try again. If the issue still remains, open Google Drive in Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On a Mac, use Command, Shift, and N. Incognito Mode disables most extensions and uses a fresh browser session, which makes it a great way to test whether the problem is caused by extensions, cookies, or a broken login session. Go to Google Drive in the private window and try the Make a Copy option again. If it works there, then the problem is likely tied to your normal browser profile or one of your extensions. Here's another fix that can help with shared files. Move the file first if you have permission. Click the file, choose Move, select a folder in My Drive, and move it there. Then right-click the file again and try Make a Copy. Some shared folders and restricted locations can create duplication problems, but moving the file to your own drive space may remove the restriction. This is a really useful trick when a file is stuck in a shared folder with limited access. If none of those steps work, try a different browser. Sometimes the problem is browser-specific. If you're on Chrome, test it in Edge. If you're on Edge, test it in Chrome. You can also try Firefox if needed. A browser switch is a simple way to find out whether the issue is tied to your current browser version, extensions, or saved session data. If Make a Copy works in another browser, then you found a source of the problem. So, to quickly recap, the best fixes for the Google Drive error creating a copy are refresh the page, check permissions, make sure your storage is not full, clear cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, move the file first, and test another browser. One of these steps usually solves the issue. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more simple tech tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.